Welcome to our channel. Today we are making AND gate with the timer in all languages in S7-1500. Let's start. In previous video we have done AND gate and OR gate. Now we are starting timer. This is T-on timer. I'm creating in DV. This is this timer for SCL programming. Set the PT 10 seconds. Let's start with FBD language. Go to instructions. Go to bit logic instructions. Drag and drop AND gate. Now drag and drop bit 0 and bit 1 of FBD in the DV. Now go to timer. Drag and drop T on timer here. Close it. Then drag and drop TV timer and copy this and paste it here. Now go to bit logic and drag and drop equal. Then select bit 15 here. Now compile it, then download it. First bit on, then second bit is on. The timer is started. After 10 seconds, the output will be high. FBD, it's done. Timer is working fine. Let's move to SCL part. This is STL. Open SCL part. Copy the comment and paste it here. Change it to AND gate. Hit the timer. Go to instruction. Close it. Drag and drop SCL timer. Make a dot here. Now bracket start. Paste it here. close the bracket and drag and drop the PT here, not here. This tag is wrong. We need to replace here. Paste it here. Now PT is okay. Then bit 1, bit 0 and bit 1. There are some error. This is the problem. Okay, now delete this. Then bring bit 15 equal to, and then output of the timer. Then semicolon here. Then delete this comma. Now it's working fine. There is no error. Just compile and download the program. Now turn on the bit. Both bit is active now. Then timer is started. The timer is complete and output will be high. The SCL part of the timer is completed now. Let's move to STL part. Add one network here. Now close these all. Open STL. Type A here. Drag bit 0. Enter. Type A. Bit 1. Enter. Type equal. Then give memory bit. Enter. Now call timer flow. Call STL timer. Then copy this tag and paste in. Bring PT here from here. Okay. Then bit 15. Now compile it. Then download it. Start bit. So both are bits high. The timer is started now. Look, the output is also high here. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.